I hope you can see this, the lights.
It's not complaining too much anymore. You're not talking, so.
Yeah, you usually talk to her more than.
You're not talking. You're not talking, Zozo.
She likes to talk back.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah? What? I think you're starting to like it. Yes, you are. You're starting to like it. Aren't you? Eh? You're going to get a man after this.
You know, you can hardly see her. She's so dark.
Eh, Zozo? You like this? You're starting to like it?
She's looking at this, that's why.
You're looking at the camera? What? What? Who asked you? What?
So funny.
What? Zozo.
She makes what you say. You listen to her.
Show me your teeth. Show me your teeth, Zozo. Zozo. Don't tell me what to do. Speak English, Zoe. Speak English, Zoe. We don't speak French here. Speak English, Zoe. Speak English. English. Speak English, Zozo. I speak English. You mumble under your breath at me. I hear you.
It says you only have 8 minutes to move down.
Ah!
You don't do that!
Hey. Show me your teeth. I'm making you beautiful. I'm getting the poop off your butt, too. Probably. Look at this. Is there anything left of you? There's more hair than brush. Can't even get it off. It's matted on the brush. Don't talk back. Don't talk back. Zozo. It's not my fault you're a hippie. Okay? Get a haircut. You wouldn't have these problems. Yeah.
Oh, if your people had looked after you properly.
Yeah. If you'd been looked after when the last people had you, you wouldn't have these problems. But now you hate us because we're looking after you. What's up with that? Look at this. Eh? You can clean yourself again. No hissing. There's no hissing. You can swear. You can't hiss. You heard me. You heard me. I don't care. Hey, you heard me. Well, my goodness. Really? Really, Zoe? How are you ever going to get married off if you don't brush your hair? Huh? I know it works for me, but that doesn't count.